Hi and welcome to Hands-On Education. Today we will listen to the djembe drums, an instrument used often in African music. Djembe drums are a percussion instrument from West Africa. The body of the drum is made from wood and the drum head from goat skin. It is played with bare hands, producing a variety of sounds to make complex rhythms and patterns. Listen to the drums and focus on the rhythm you hear, which is the pattern of sounds, as well as the tempo, which is the speed the music is played at. Take a moment to think about these questions. Did you enjoy the sound of the djembe drums? How did the music make you feel? Did you notice any patterns in the rhythm? Can you describe the tempo? We can write the rhythm of a piece of music on a stave. The time signature at the beginning of the stave shows how many beats are in each bar. This time signature shows there are 4 beats in the bar. Crotchets represent 1 beat. Here we have 4 crotchets in the bar, and we would play it like this. A quaver represents half beats. The time signature on this stave still shows there are 4 beats within the bar, however we have 4 quavers. Each quaver is played within 1 beat and would sound something like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Or without speaking, crotchets and quavers can be used to create different rhythms, like the rhythm here. For your hands-on activity, use quavers and crotchets to create your own rhythm. You can play your rhythm on the drums, clap your hands, or tap the table. Write your rhythm on the activity sheet. For more related activities, please go to handsoneducation.com World Music. I hope you enjoyed listening to the djembe drums. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you soon. Bye.